Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Focus key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. It's important to work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the casing separates. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your screwdriver or a fingernail, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment with the positive or plus side facing upwards. Make sure it sits snugly and securely in place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob. Try the lock and unlock buttons to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.